Yeah, yeah, yeah. Show me some. Show me some. Show me some.
So just a little bit of miscommunication. I told Tony to steal it, and then he just removed it.
Show me some. Diamonds in my grill, you see me shine. 24s on that Cayenne when we ride. Now show me some. Show me some. Show me some.
Today, we're working on this Ferrari 488. So it's not just a regular 488 Pista, it is the Pista Piloti, which is an extremely rare piece. That's where we're taking extreme caution in protecting everything we can. So right now I'm in the process of, actually Alexa's in the process of finishing up the rocker panels, and we're gonna open up the doors very soon to protect the dry carbon that's inside. But this is quite the piece, and this is the second one we do for our good friend David. And you might have saw that the other one, which was white with the blue stripes. Majority of this car is actually available in the pre-cut, and the cool thing is that they're really, really accurate. So we've obviously made some adjustments to how we like to do it, tucking it and wrapping around all the edges. One of the pieces that we actually really focus on are the rocker panels right in front of the wheel. And the reason why is because these just get pummeled. It's carbon fiber. We're gonna add extra protection behind there just to make sure if ever they get worn out, they can just change it up. So this is a really crucial area. And we installed the original pre-cut, and you'll be able to see how much of the carbon's exposed even with a pre-cut. So that's why it's always good to go custom for the extra protection.
You can eat today.
You can eat. You guys are horrible. So this is actually just a small piece from a Panamera. It's piano black, and Josh just finished buffing it because I think the owner had a watch, maybe they hit it, so it scratched it up. We buffed that out, and now we're putting a protection film, so it's always going to stay glossy black, self-healing. It's kind of what you want to go for, because if you don't do that, it's just going to scratch again. Yeah, so actually I'll start sealing the edges. So do you see them, the edges? It's hard to see actually. The kit's actually pretty good. Pushing it all down. Because we use like minimal water, you want to be careful with all the suede that's inside. So that's why we just kind of place it on, squeegee it, let it cure. You don't want to spray too much water to damage the suede or risk that. Cars, when they come out, they're all hand built, so they have a lot of imperfections. It takes time to really, Josh did a really good inspection on it and checked what needed to be done. After that, we just addressed every little issue. And while we're working on it, we might even find some stuff, because we're literally like a foot away while we're working on it, touching every square inch. But this is a Ferrari. I mean, it's hand built, so it's normal that there's little imperfections in it. They leave little toy.
Team just finished doing the PPF on the full car. Now we're about to apply the ceramic coating. Today we're using XPEL Fusion Plus, which is the same company that makes the paint protection film. So it's a great choice for cars that are fully PPF, even on painted surfaces as well. So it gives you tremendous gloss. It gives you scratch resistance. It's not scratch proof, but it will help against those minor scratches and scuffs.
Tony's actually in the middle of tinting the headlights. This is one of my favorite films right now. It has no orange peel, so it's extremely glossy. And it adds just enough tint on the headlights to just dim down the chrome. You guys are gonna see right now, this is how it is. Tony, just take that off so we can kind of show them how white it is, and then put the film on, you'll see how it changes it completely. This side's actually done already. So this car is getting a full satin protection film on the entire car. So it's an RS3 brand new, satin protection film, and tinted lights, black emblems, just making this thing look really mean after. But come over to this side. Some of you guys didn't know, we were actually doing bikes. So Josh is actually in the middle. He just finished doing a full correction on the bike. We polished all the metal on it. And now we're just applying a ceramic coating on the paint. We also added a protection film on the front end of this motorcycle, just to prevent the rock chips from getting to it. Right here we have this Yamaha. We're actually going to be wrapping it, just the tank, in an ivory color, so that's going to be really cool too. So this is a really cool restyling project. Over on this side, Max is actually in the middle of doing an interior carbon fiber wrap. So as you can see, having the right techs in place is definitely key, having the right team to know how to take apart the interior of cars or the exterior so we can do a flawless finish. So Hugo's on the other side wrapping it up in carbon fiber right now. This is getting wrapped in the 3M 1080 film. Actually, I think this is the new 2080 carbon. Yeah, this is the new 2080 carbon. So a lot more supple. It's a new type of film. I think that's it.